Prepare yourself for an extraordinary journey that possesses the power to revolutionize your life in ways you never thought possible. Get ready to unravel the secrets of manifestation as we explore the mystical teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption. Have you ever longed for a magic formula to manifest your desires at an unparalleled speed? Well, brace yourself, because in this session, we are about to unveil a technique so potent that it can lead to manifestations within a single night. But hold on tight, as we are about to dive deep into the realm of Neville Goddard and his legacy. Neville Goddard, a visionary figure who firmly believed in the limitless potential of the human mind. In this session, we introduce you to the captivating one-night manifestation method, a transformative technique rooted in Neville Goddard's principles and the law of assumption. With just one night of dedicated practice, you can set in motion the forces of manifestation that will align the universe with your desires. Imagine, with one night's commitment, you can initiate a chain of events that bring your dreams to fruition. So, if you're ready to embrace the magic of manifestation, witness the awe-inspiring power of belief, and step into a reality where dreams become tangible, stay tuned. Neville Goddard, a luminary in the world of manifestation and spiritual teachings, left an indelible mark on the realm of human potential. At the core of his teachings lies an unwavering faith in the power of imagination. He fervently advocated that our imagination is not a realm of mere fantasy but a potent creative force that shapes our experiences in the physical world. By harnessing the law of assumption, Neville proposed that we have the ability to assume the feelings and states of our desired reality. By doing so, we impress upon the subconscious mind, setting in motion a series of events that align with our assumptions, eventually leading to their manifestation in our lives. Envision a life where your deepest desires materialize before your very eyes. A life filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment beyond your wildest dreams. Manifestation holds the key to unlocking this extraordinary reality, and the possibilities are limitless. Are you prepared to witness the magic of manifestation? Stay tuned as we explore the secrets and techniques that can transform your desires into reality, setting in motion a chain of events that will lead you to manifest the life you truly deserve. Welcome to the one-night manifestation method, a technique that holds the potential to accelerate your manifestations like never before. This powerful method draws upon the timeless wisdom of Neville Goddard, making it a gateway to unlocking the full potential of the law of assumption. Neville Goddard's principles form the very foundation of this method. By combining the power of imagination with the law of assumption, this technique allows you to tap into the creative force within you, setting the wheels of manifestation in motion. The best part? You only need one night. Yes, you heard it right. With dedication and focus for just one night, you can initiate a chain reaction that paves the way for your desires to manifest rapidly. Let's proceed to practice. At the heart of manifestation lies the profound principle known as the law of assumption. Simply put, the law of assumption states that your beliefs and assumptions about reality shape the experiences and outcomes you encounter in life. Think of assumptions as the blueprint for your existence. What you assume to be true, whether consciously or subconsciously, acts as a magnetic force, attracting situations, events, and people that align with those assumptions. Here's the key. When you assume a certain state or outcome, your subconscious mind goes to work to make it a reality. It filters information from the external world, honing in on evidence that supports your assumptions and discarding anything that contradicts them. The law of assumption is not mere wishful thinking or daydreaming. It is a deeply rooted conviction that influences your thoughts and emotions. In other words, your assumptions become self-fulfilling prophecies. Understanding the significance of the law of assumption is crucial for successful manifestation. By consciously adopting empowering and positive assumptions, you can deliberately create the life you desire. However, if you allow negative or limiting assumptions to prevail, they can hinder your progress and manifest undesirable outcomes. As we embark on the journey of the one-night manifestation method, it's crucial to begin with a clear focus. Take a moment to reflect on your desires and aspirations. What is it that you truly want to manifest in your life? Is it a dream job, a loving relationship, improved health, or financial abundance? The power of manifestation lies in specificity. Choose one specific desire or goal that resonates deeply with your heart and soul. By honing in on a particular intention, you allow the energy of your focus to magnify, making it easier for the universe to respond to your request. Now that you've identified your desire, set a clear and concise intention for the manifestation process. State your intention as if it has already come to pass. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to find my soulmate," affirm, "I am grateful for the loving and fulfilling relationship I have with my soulmate." Remember, your intention should evoke a strong emotional response within you. The more passion and belief you infuse into your intention, the more powerful its manifestation potential becomes. By preparing yourself in this way, you align your thoughts and emotions with your desire, reinforcing the law of assumption and the process of manifestation. Your intention acts as a compass, guiding you through the rest of the one-night manifestation method. So, take a moment now to set your intention and connect with the energy of your deepest desires. In the next segment, we will dive into the step-by-step process of the one-night manifestation method. Get ready to witness the magic of focused intention and belief as we step closer to manifesting our dreams. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within your hands. By the end of this process, you'll be one step closer to turning your dreams into reality. Let's proceed with enthusiasm and determination as we delve into the transformational world of the one-night manifestation method. To begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This space can be your bedroom, a cozy corner, or any place where you feel at ease. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Feel the tension leaving your body with each exhale, and let go of any worries or distractions from the day. If you find your mind still racing with thoughts, consider incorporating breathing exercises or meditation to further calm your mind. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize your intention as if it is happening right now. Engage all your senses in this mental imagery. Feel the emotions associated with your desire, hear the sounds, smell the scents, and see the vivid colors. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this visualization, experiencing it with utmost clarity and intensity. With each breath, reinforce your belief in the reality of your desire. Affirm your intention with conviction, repeating it silently or aloud. Feel the confidence welling up within you as you affirm your belief in the manifestation of your desires. Visualize the energy of your intention radiating from you, creating ripples in the universe. Continue this practice for as long as you feel comfortable, maintaining focus and belief in the power of your intention. As you conclude your session, express gratitude for the manifestation of your desire. Feel genuine gratitude as if your intention has already come to pass. Thank the universe, your higher self, or any divine presence you believe in for aligning the energies to fulfill your desire. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. Carry this feeling of gratitude and belief with you throughout your day, knowing that the wheels of manifestation have been set in motion. Here's an easy way to calm your mind. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in and out slowly, letting your thoughts drift away like clouds in the sky. The key is to feel really calm and peaceful inside. Take your time with this step, there's no rush. This is your special time to connect with yourself. Now that you're feeling relaxed, it's time to imagine what you want in your life. Close your eyes and picture it vividly, as if it's happening right now. Imagine the details clearly. The people, the surroundings, everything. Use all your senses. Feel the emotions, taste the success, hear the encouraging words, smell victory. Make it as real as possible. Don't doubt yourself. Just let your imagination run wild. Imagine yourself achieving your dream. Feel the joy, the accomplishment, and the gratitude as if it's happening in this moment. Your imagination is a powerful tool. Believe that anything is possible. Spend time here, fully immersed in your dream. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying those positive feelings with you. Now, feel those emotions deeply. Imagine yourself living your dream life. Embrace the feelings of joy and accomplishment. Don't let doubts creep in. Trust that you're on the right path. This emotional experience sends a strong message to the universe about what you want. You've taken a big step toward your goals. But we're not done yet. In the next steps, we'll go even deeper into the process. Keep your vision strong as we move forward. Now, it's time to infuse your imagination with powerful emotions. Imagine your desire as if it's real right now. Feel the excitement and pride. Imagine yourself enjoying the success. Be grateful not only for the achievement but also for the journey that got you here. If doubts come up, acknowledge them, but replace them with faith in your abilities. Dive deep into these emotions. Imagine yourself in your desired reality with conviction. When your emotions peak, open your eyes, knowing you've built a strong foundation for your dreams. But our work isn't over yet. Now, reinforce your intentions through repetition. Turn your desire into a short, positive statement. Repeat it aloud or in your mind. Visualize each word lighting up like a beacon, guiding the universe to fulfill your request. Write it down and keep it visible as a reminder. Finally, as you're about to sleep, enter a state of deep belief. Affirm to yourself, "It is done," or "I am grateful for my desire." Let these feelings guide you into sleep, knowing that the universe is working on your behalf. Remember, this is just the beginning. Manifestation is an ongoing journey. Stay open to opportunities, signs, and synchronicities. You have the power to shape your reality. Embrace the magic within you and create the life you dream of. Congratulations! You have completed the one-night manifestation method. Trust in the process, stay open to receiving, and watch as your desires unfold in divine timing. Remember, the power of manifestation resides within you. Embrace it, believe in it, and witness the miracles that follow. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. May your manifestations be abundant and your dreams turn into reality. Until next time, Stay blessed and keep manifesting.